Hello kids, welcome to Cheeky Kids Land. Today I draw a cute character Pikachu. I take this character from the cartoon Pokemon.
Pikachu, pika, pika, Pikachu, pika, kai, oh. Pikachu, pika, pika, Pikachu.
First, I draw the ears and then I draw the mouth. Okay kids, draw with me. And then I draw the eyes, the second eye, and two eyeballs. And this is the cheeks. Wow, the eyes is moving. And it's the nose and then the mouth. Okay kids, I almost done my drawing. La 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 la. Pikachu, Pikachu, Pika Pika Pikachu, 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 Pika Pika Pikachu, 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 Pika Pika Pikachu. Okay kids, let's start coloring. First I take the black color because the Pikachu ears is black. Yay! Now I get the yellow color. Which cartoon character is your favorite? Pokemon, Pikachu, Doraemon? Tell me in comment box. Okay kids, try to draw with me. Easy step-by-step drawing. I will tell you each and everything in my drawing. Okay, the eyes is moving. Yay! This looks so cute, Pikachu. This is the yellow color. Now I take the red color for cheeks. I start coloring in the left side cheek. This is the red color. This is the lips. This is the trunk and this is the mouth. Wow! If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And I take the black color for eyes. Wow! Bye bye!